This is Score Group's MIDAS meter. It's a valve leak detection, quantification and trending tool that's been developed over 40 years of research into acoustic emissions and their correlation to through valve leakage. The technology used allows us to non-invasively measure valve sealing performance, whilst the valve is still installed in the process line, making it safe, fast and easy to use. With hundreds of these devices now in service in over 30 countries around the world, supporting intelligent valve management contracts, this is the go-to device for non-invasive, in-line valve sealing performance monitoring. MIDAS meter can be used on any valve that has an isolating capability. That includes valve design types such as ball, gate, globe, check, butterfly, needle, pressure relief, plug, diaphragm, and any other isolating valves. There are 4 levels of value that Score Group's MIDAS meter non-invasive testing technology delivers. These are through valve leak detection, through valve leak rate quantification, through valve leak rate trending, and intelligent valve management support. As long as the valve being surveyed is in the fully closed position with a differential pressure over 1 bar across its seats, then MIDAS meter can be used to survey performance and deliver quantifiable value. If you would like to see some real-life case studies where we've used MIDAS meter to deliver measurable value to our customers, please follow these on-screen links.